Hey everybody, Steve here from Eck Automotive in beautiful Chicago with another money-saving tip when it comes to automotive repair. When it comes to your car, time solves no problems. Oftentimes people come into us for repairs or needed maintenance to prevent a repair, and they get an estimate and they ask if they could wait, or they decide to wait, maybe they can't afford it then, and they're going to put it off until they can. Well, the problem with problems is that they don't solve themselves. And oftentimes when you're told of a problem, that's about the least amount it's going to be when it comes to repairing. They don't get any cheaper as they get worse. They get more expensive. But people, out of sight, out of mind, they drive away and they forget about it. And then that problem becomes a big problem and it becomes more expensive. So how you save money is get in front of your problems. If you can't afford it then, budget, and then of course work with your shop to find out how long you could drive, how many miles, how much time, and what is worst case scenario, so that you fully understand. Because in the end, problems are going to happen. You could decide to fix them at your convenience, or your car is going to decide to fix it at your inconvenience. And nobody wants that. So that's just another cost-saving tip when it comes to automotive repair. And I'm Steve from Eck Automotive in here in beautiful Chicago.